What's up, guys? It's your girl, Crazy Gains. So things are looking better. We're starting to see a green day. There are a lot of pieces that are currently moving in the markets, and I just wanted to do a quick video on all the updates and everything that's going on politically because it is affecting the markets literally. All right, here we go. So earlier today, I reposted this from Crypto Rover, breaking Trump will talk to Putin this week to complete a ceasefire deal. That is excellent. And this is what I responded to that. This would be a start to turning the markets around. Hopefully, lowering interest rates and fixing this tariff war will also be on the docket. There are a few things that need to happen before we could start to see these markets turn around. And right when I tweeted this, we also see this. Breaking, Ukraine agrees to an immediate 30-day ceasefire with Russia after talks with the United States. Now, Russia hasn't agreed yet to this deal, but now we're starting to see some resolution to the issues that have been keeping our markets a little red. I'm excited about this because then we also see this. Crypto Rover says breaking. Trump says he doesn't see a potential recession at all. We are so back. If Trump, the president of the United States, that's dealing and juggling all of these balls at once, he's dealing with tariff wars, he's dealing with literal wars, and interest rates also need to come down. So hopefully we will see that in the near future. Apparently, there are scheduled 3 interest rate lowerings for this year. Let's see if it actually happens. With the puzzle finally being put back together, we're starting to see this. CAS up 20% on the day so far. Tau up 20%. Pepe up 10%. I love this. I love seeing this. This is encouraging because for the last few days, we've been capitulating. Even if we go to the week, we're still really red, except for move over here. And if we go to the month, it's even worse. Okay. Breaking. Canada agrees to suspend 25% electricity tariffs on the United States. We could finally take a little bit of a breather here because just this morning, Canada was talking about turning off the electricity to some of our states. I don't know which states that Canada provides energy for, but I think it's crazy that we're not supplying our own energy for our own country. But that's neither here nor there. So finally, we're starting to see Canada turn down the heat a little bit. And this is what people are saying. Trump's super cycle plan. Dump the markets. Okay, we're kind of there. Create recession fears. We've been there even before Trump took office. Cut rates. Yes, we need to cut those rates. And the last meeting that we had with Jerome Powell, Trump urged him to lower rates. But unfortunately, Jerome Powell did not do that. He did not want to honor Trump's request at all. So will we see those 3 rate cuts this year? Or will Jerome Powell continue to take a hard stance on keeping things the way they are? And then for XRP, good news continues to come out. Breaking $1.4 trillion in assets under management at Franklin Templeton files an XRP ETF. This is literally the 17th XRP ETF that has been filed. We are starting to see the biggest investment institutions start to put in their bets with XRP. I'm glad to see that XRP is finally coming out into the spotlight. Now, when are we going to finally hear that XRP is finished with the SEC case already? Again, my suspicion is that it's already over and it's been over. They're just holding the good news for a specific period in time. Why are they doing that? I think it's because they haven't settled yet the $125 million judgment that Judge Torres gave a few months ago. Once they honor that, we should finally hear that XRP and SEC are done and over with. Now, I'm not sure if this is a rumor or not. U.S. Congressman Nick B. to introduce a strategic Bitcoin reserve legislation in the House today to buy 1 million Bitcoin. This is super bullish because when we heard One day before the actual summit that was held in the White House, we were hearing that we were just going to hold the Bitcoin that we seized from nefarious activities, that we weren't going to purchase more. So this would be excellent if there is something introduced to continue our strategic reserve here in the United States and add to it. And we are not the only ones that are accumulating. Check this out. Hong Kong's limited Mingxing acquires 333 Bitcoin worth 27 million. So they're building their reserves. They took this opportunity, this dip, like everyone else should, and they are buying, hand over fist, buying Bitcoin. So I don't know, that should tell us something. Other countries are interested in having their own reserves. And of course, Trump is to sign an executive order overturning Biden's crypto banking restrictions. And we already know that he signed an executive order saying that banks are now able to custody crypto. And I love this from Ripple Queen. Wow, Ripple has assigned bank IDs to over 500 banks? And some people still think XRP won't be used. The train is moving full speed. Either you're on board or you're getting left behind. Look at all these banks that currently have IDs in the Ripple website. I personally do not think that this is the time to be bearish. And here is the proposed 3 rate cuts in 2025. We need this. We need these rate cuts. But again, no one knows what's going to happen, all right? No one has a crystal ball. And at the end of the day, I just see all the puzzle pieces being fit perfectly together to make something amazing. That's what I'm seeing. What are you guys seeing? Let me know in the comments below. Are you guys buying right now in the red? Are you guys holding? Are you guys bullish on everything that's happening? Because I know I am. And even if this takes another year, 2 years, 3 years to pop off, I'm staying. I'm here. I'm in it. I've been in it for years now. And I'm used to seeing these ebbs and flows and these ups and these downs. I'm used to it. I'm not going anywhere. Anyway, if you guys like, check out my affiliate links down below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And just remember, I am not a financial advisor, and everything I say is for entertainment purposes. I'm just a girl with an opinion. Thank you so much for listening to it.